Culture vultures. Are you one? When I hear the word culture vultures, I think of Kim Kardashian or Vlad TV. But here in Atlanta, there's a culture all its own that's unique to history, business, community, and Black excellence. The Culture Connection. Welcome to the Culture Connection with Carla Morrison. Each week, we dive into powerful conversations at the crossroads of culture, business, and community. From Atlanta's rich history and creative scene to women building brands and changing lives. This is where storytelling meets impact. So plug in, get inspired, and let's connect the culture right here on the Culture Connector.
All right.